Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place. Bluetooth on the Sony device and your iOS device, plus permission keys and info. List. Once done, import core Bluetooth and instantiate a CB Central Manager with a delegate. This powers scanning and connection events. Make sure the manager's state is powered on before scanning, because scanning too early fails. You'll call scan for peripherals with proper service UIDs to limit results. This is faster and more reliable than a broad scan, so do it now and watch for did discover callbacks. Once you receive did discover events, filter peripherals by model name, service UID, or RSSI. This avoids false positives. Stop scanning when you have the target. Next, assign peripheral. Delegate and call Central Manager. Connect peripheral options, nil to initiate pairing. You must implement Central Manager, did connect, to discover services and then characteristics, because the connection alone doesn't give access. Also implement did fail to connect to retry or present an error. These steps handle the core connection life. After connecting, call peripheral. Discover services with the Sony service UIDs. Once services arrive, discover characteristics for each service to access data. You'll subscribe to notifications or read/write values depending on the characteristic properties. Use write with response when confirmation matters. Parse bytes according to the device spec and update UI on the main thread. If the connection drops, make sure permissions and manager state are correct. Double-check UUIDs and that the Sony device is not already bonded to another host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.